everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Ooh, my light's kind of bright. I'm not used to this right now. I've been traveling too much. Haven't filmed in quite a while. So sorry. My hair is a hot mess. We're gonna pretend like I just did it, but you know, we're doing a skincare video today. So it doesn't really matter how I look because we are working on this Coachella skin. So I went to Coachella this weekend and Coachella messed my skin up. I came back with pimples, so I'm going to show you guys how to recover your Coachella skin because Coachella is dusty AF. You were just breathing dirty air. The air is just dirty and dusty. So my skin wanted to freak out and break out a little bit, so I'm going to show you how to recover it today. And I'm actually lucky to be partnering with Bliss for one of my new favorite face masks that I'll be showing within this video. It's the Marshmallow Radiant Whipped Mask. Oh my god. It's bomb and I will show you. So let's get started with fixing this skin. Okay, so I usually don't break out very much, and if I break out, it's probably one pimple or two. So at Coachella, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like another one under my glasses. I got 6 little pimples. You probably can't see it right now because of the lighting, but there's one big one right there, and there's 2 little ones up here. I've been putting Snapchats canceled, Instagram stories all up of me and my little smiley face pimple forehead, but I got an easy quick fix to fix that. So first off, I'm going to start off with a, what's it called? Exfoliant. So first I'm going to start off with an exfoliant, and the 2 that I like to use are both from Dermalogica. This one is the multivitamin thermafoliant, and then this one right here is the daily microfoliant. Both of these work amazing, and I go back and forth sometimes between both of these. This one is like a actual product with the little things inside of it to scrub your face. This one right here is a powder form, and you just do like a little blop blop in your hand, and then you mix it in with water, and then you scrub it on your face. You exfoliate your skin, get all them dead skin cells, all them dust, dirt, haters off your skin, basically. So that's why you want to start with an exfoliant. Just dust them off, all of it. And then after the exfoliant, you want to put a face wash on your face and just wash your face, wash the rest of your dead skin cells off, the rest of that product off. And which one I like to use is this Purity Philosophy One-Step Facial Cleanser. This right here is my go-to facial cleanser, and it has been for about 3-4 years now. I've been using this. It's amazing. I always go back to it. If I change my face wash, it always ends up being my face wash. This right here is my slay. Oh, the face washes are on my... No, never mind. But yeah, next step to recover your face is going to be a face mask. I have 2 different face masks for today. This one right here is a detoxifying face mask. This is the Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals. This one's Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. This right here will clear up any little breakouts. It just like takes out all the gunk in your skin. So I either like to put this all over my whole face, or I like to just you know, put it on my pimples, since I don't have to put it on my whole face. But like right now, I might just put it on my whole face. If I'm feeling a little lazy, then I wouldn't. This thing is good. I love it. Makes my skin real good. And then after you detoxed your face and got everything out, you exfoliated your face already, you cleansed it, and then you detoxed it. So next up, bring all your healthiness and glowiness back. You're gonna put on another mask. This is what I like to put on, and this right here, I absolutely love this. I tried this. When did I try this? Maybe like a month ago, and I've been using it ever since because oh my gosh, my skin looks amazing afterwards. This right here is the Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask from Bliss. So this right here brings back all the radiance in your skin, and it just does what it says. It's amazing. I go ahead and put a thick layer on my skin, and I go ahead and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go ahead and rinse it off. And after that, my skin be booming back to normal. booming. Booming, booming. This mask is now available at Target. Bliss is now sold there, all of their products. So if you want to get your hands on them, run to Target. The texture of this mask is super light. It's airy whipped. So it just feels so nice and light on your skin. And it's made out of marshmallow root extract. So that helps give you your brightening boost. And then rehydrates your skin and all that. Oops, dropped my phone. But yeah, it's amazing. Oh, and also, the best part about it, it even your skin tone. Sorry, it evens your skin tone and any discoloration. So nothing better that you can get in a mask than this. And last but not least, to recover your little pimples that are just there trying to hibernate on your face when you want them to go. So my wifey wife Joyja, my good friend Joyja, told me about this trick, and I didn't believe her. But now I'm a believer. I'm a believer in Vick's Vapor Rub. Put this on your breakouts or your little pimples, like spot treat it, and it dries it up so quick, takes away the redness, and gone. But bam, bazam, your skin is fixed from Coachella. At first, I didn't think, oh, I can just have it sit on my face all day, But you get used to it. Just put it on in your little spots, and you'll be good to go. And your skin will be flawless, back to normal, popping, glowy, radiant, clear, all that, So my job here is done, and I've helped you all that have went to Coachella, and your skin is messed up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my quick skin remedy to help my skin when it breaks out. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to look up any of these products that I used today, I'm going to go ahead and link it all in the description box below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My skin about to be popping again in about 2-3 days, hopefully. Oh my gosh, did I just jinx myself? I'm going to wake up tomorrow and have 20 more pimples. Let's hope not. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!